Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by ensuring you have two active accounts, your Microsoft/Xbox account and your GeForce Now account. Sign into GeForce Now. Make sure the app is updated. Once signed in, open the app settings and go straight to linked services or accounts to start pairing. Do this before launching any games so permissions prompt appears. Keep your Xbox credentials handy because you will be asked to authenticate with Microsoft right away. This avoids interruptions and speeds the linking process. Select Link Xbox or Microsoft from GeForce Now account screen, then follow the on-screen prompts. When Microsoft's login page appears, enter your email and password and allow GeForce Now to access your profile and game library. This is why linking is necessary. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the code entry or use the Authenticator app. Make sure to accept any device trust prompts so future sign-ins are faster. Once accepted, GeForce Now will enumerate your Xbox games for streaming and ownership checks. Finish by launching a linked Xbox title from GeForce Now to verify ownership and that streaming works. If the game does not start, first sign out and back into both GeForce Now and your Microsoft account to refresh tokens. Make sure Microsoft permissions still allow library access. Revoke and reauthorize if needed. If problems persist, clear the GeForce Now cache, update both apps, and confirm your GeForce Now region matches where the Xbox content is available. This resolves most linking and availability errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.